my channel or welcome back to my channel Creation Factor. This is Prakriti and today we are going to do another eye makeup tutorial. So again this video is also going to be a basic one जिसको कि हर कोई try कर सकता है because इसमें भी मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा equipments use नहीं किए हैं. So in today's video we'll see how we can create smoky eye look, and the only thing we will use to create the look is kajal. Okay, so like the last time, this time also we will create two looks जिसमें कि पहले look में सिर्फ मैंने kajal use किया है, and for the second look if you have any eyeshadow palette you can use it to create a gradient one. And now not wasting any more time here, let's get into the video. Okay, so for the second look we'll need an eyeshadow palette, and it's kind of similar because we're not going to wipe this off, I'm sorry. And the next look is, you can say, the process after this. So yeah, let's see. Video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you do, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and also comment down below how you like the look. And yes, if you recreate it, do tag me on Instagram. My ID is here somewhere and I'll also give it in the description. You can follow me there for more interesting stuffs. I post self-portraits, editing tutorials and many more to come. So yeah, keep supporting and keep loving.